Most plant 3D projects use generic valves from the default library. But today I will show how to download real valve models, convert them into smart plant 3D components, and still keep fully working isometrics. Remember one very useful and easy-to-use 3D components website, 3DFindIt. There you can find real components from many manufacturers, including real valve models used in industry. The difference from GrabCAD is that GrabCAD models are usually created and uploaded by individual users, while here you get real manufacturer components. So instead of searching through the huge internet for suitable parts, you can quickly find realistic components in one place and use them directly in your plant 3D projects. Here I searched for a ball valve and selected this nice-looking flange ball valve models. Here I selected the valve sizes, and the page automatically prepared the model for download. I can also choose the file format, and in this case, I selected a simple AutoCAD file format for easier importing into Plant 3D. It is a Festo manufacturer 3D model of a 2-piece full-bore flange ball valve. Now I will copy the model into my project area, and we will convert these solids into real Plant 3D valves with proper connections and functionality. Open Tool Palettes, go to Custom Parts, select Valve, and choose AutoCAD Block as the component type. Now we will create ports where the pipes will connect to the valve ends using the Create AutoCAD Block Base Part function. Simply follow the commands that appear in the command line below. The ports are done. Now use the command, choose Block from Model. When the model appears in the palette window, you can define the valve properties such as DN size, pressure class, connection types, and other parameters. And here my real valve fails. But I know exactly where I made the mistake. I forgot to create a block from the downloaded valve model first. Let's fix it. So my advice is, when you download models from other websites, the first thing you should do is create a block from the model before converting it into a Plant 3D component. I created the block and repeated the same steps as before, and now we have a nice, fully working valve component. A very annoying mistake, but an easy one to fix once you know it. Okay, let's quickly do the same with the smaller diameter valve, but this time with all the required steps from the beginning. And now let's check if our valve creates nice-looking isometrics correctly. The simplest way to create a fast isometric from just a few parts is to select them and use the quick ISO function. The isometric looks good until you look at the table and see an empty valve description. Fast problem solving. Open the valve properties, and in the long description family field, write the valve description you want to appear in the isometric table. Let's check if the valve name now appears correctly in the isometric table. Looks much better now. Subscribe if you want to see more practical plant 3D engineering workflows and realistic industrial modeling.